This vintage handmade carpet may look old, damaged, and worn out, but in the skilled hands of our expert artisans, every fibre begins a journey of revival. The most delicate part of this process is the edging, the foundation that holds the carpet together. Using only traditional tools, just a simple needle and carefully matched wool, every edge is rebuilt patiently and delicately by hand, exactly the way it was crafted centuries ago. This is not just repair, it is an ancient art of carpet restoration, a tradition passed down through generations where precision, patience, and passion come together in every stitch and every weave. Slowly, the damaged and fragile edges are transformed, bringing strength, durability, and beauty back to the carpet. What was once frayed and lifeless now becomes strong, secure, and timeless, once again ready to shine for many more years to come. This work is far more than restoration. It is the preservation of history, culture, and heritage brought back to life with love and skill. Royal Carpet Expert, hand edging restoration with needle and thread.